In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Word product activation failed in Windows 10 and 11. So open up your files and then in here open your local DC and then click your program files. So inside program files, select Microsoft Office, double click and then click on Office 16 and then click on OSPPREARM, or how do you read that one? Just right click and then select Run as an administration. So once you're done, all you have to do is open Microsoft Word again and hope it fixes the problem. And that's it, guys. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.